Here's how to remove powered by Big Cartel. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first of all, you have to open your Big Cartel account. When you open your account, you will see that there are many options like add a product, explore shipping profile, connect payment procedure, and at the second last you will see an option of design your show. You just have to click on this option because we are going to set a design that will look on our website. So the next window will look like this. Now you can see that your shop option. Now you have to click on design button at the right side of the screen. Now after some time the new page will open in front of you and it will look like this. Now here is the workspace where you can edit your site successfully. Now look at the left side of the screen. And you can see here are many options like header image, repeating background image, and you can also change the colors of your website from here. And if you scroll down at the end of this menu, you can also add the links of your products like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media platform you can add easily. If you see on the header of the screen on the left side, you will have some option, setting, pages, code, but you have to click on code button. When you click on code button, the CSS, JavaScript, and the other language code will open here. Now you have to scroll up or down to find where is footer heading. So it's mean we are going to edit footer of Big Cartel website. So what you have to do that it just scroll up and you will find an option of footer. So I have founded the footer option. You just have to press your right button and select this all the option and all the lines, and then you just have to delete it. You can see on the screen that the Big Cartel is removed.